Warning. You're about to discover the shocking truth about diabetes your doctor won't tell you about. If you or a loved one is suffering with type 1 or type 2 diabetes or even pre-diabetes, I'm about to tell you something you've never heard before. Most diabetics have been told that once they have diabetes, no matter how much they try to control it with diet, medications, or insulin, they will always have diabetes. But that is a lie. Did you know that you can now cure your diabetes for good? And that thousands of people like you have effectively cured their diabetes permanently and without drugs? That's right. Enough of drugs. Now you can reverse and cure diabetes naturally. No more needles, no more drugs, no more side effects, no more suffering. Can you just imagine what your life is going to be like living without diabetes? Having a normal life again, waking up every morning knowing that you don't have diabetes. No more pricking your fingers with painful needles every day. Getting off all those sickening drugs you're taking. No more feeling guilty about your food and your weight. And to end your worries about diabetic heart attack, amputation, neuropathy, blindness. Then I guarantee this will be the most important video you ever see. I'm going to reveal something that undoubtedly will change your life forever. This news is going to make your day, because this is the only proven treatment for diabetes that really works. A way to put an end to all your worries and concerns. A way to change everything. You can feel normal again. You can live a full and complete life. You can lower your blood sugar naturally. You can stop worrying about gaining weight, high blood pressure, losing your vision, or having a heart attack. And you can do it all without harmful drugs like Actos or Avandia, expensive treatments, awful side effects, crippling complications, drastic surgeries like amputations, and without years of needless suffering. What you're about to uncover can save your life or the life of someone close to you. Because unless someone is suffering every day like you are, they can't truly understand how diabetes completely rules your life. That's why I'm so excited you're here today, and why this is going to be the most important video you will ever watch. You are about to learn a revolutionary 100% scientifically proven way to stop and reverse prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. And if you have type 1 diabetes, I'm going to show you how you can radically decrease your need for insulin by at least 80%. In fact, I guarantee you're going to be shocked at how simple it is to reverse your diabetes once and for all. Grounded in overwhelming evidence, this program is specifically designed to heal this chronic degenerative syndrome, in which high blood sugar is just a symptom, and it doesn't matter whether you've been recently diagnosed or have been living with it for a long time. There is a way to stabilize your blood sugar and reverse your diabetes, and you can do it in as little as 3 short weeks. Yes, you heard me right. You could be diabetes-free 21 days from right now. But if you want to discover exactly what you must do, you need to watch this brief presentation right now. It only takes a few minutes to watch, but it will change everything you thought you knew about your diabetes. Hi, my name is Matt, and if you have diabetes, I want you to know I get how you're feeling, where you're coming from. And having personally worked for many years with some of the world's leading diabetes specialists, watching patient after patient completely reverse their diabetes in just a few weeks, it's now my mission to share this breakthrough system for reversing diabetes and creating optimal health. There's nothing like this that exists anywhere else, on or off the web, and I'm honored and grateful for the opportunity to share it with you. This pioneering remedy is the outcome of countless studies conducted over the past 3 decades by leading doctors around the world and teams of internationally respected scientists and diabetes specialists, including Nobel Prize winners. As a result, thousands of people who were in your exact same situation are now living symptom-free, all because they followed the simple guidelines of this diabetes breakthrough. But as you know, thousands aren't nearly enough. In the U.S. alone, there are 25.8 million people living with diabetes today. Sadly, as the American Diabetes Association reveals, there are 1.9 million new cases diagnosed each year, and most of these people are completely unaware, with 7 million undiagnosed people and over 79 million who are pre-diabetic and at risk of developing the same complications as diabetics: high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, and vision loss. Please don't become another statistic of the diabetes epidemic. Take control of your health, because what really matters right now is you. Because statistics don't tell your story. How every day you have to constantly worry about getting your blood sugar right, the stress and anxiety that come with managing your condition. Living with diabetes is devastating and nerve-wracking, both physically and emotionally. And from doctor visits to medications, the ongoing list of diabetes expenses can quickly add up. And even with insurance, many people are unable to afford supplies. The co-pays and other out-of-pocket costs for medications and diabetes-related devices can put them well out of reach for many diabetics. So when the answer already exists, when the solution is already there and has been for 30 plus years, wouldn't you think Big Pharma would finally put forward a real solution? A real way to end diabetes, right? That's what I used to think. In retrospect, that was very naive. As the National Diabetes Fact Sheet shows, treating diabetes is a $264 billion per year business. So there's no way the diabetes industry is going to kill its cash cow. There's way too much money to be made from treating diabetes rather than curing it. Look, you're watching this video because it's time for you to know the truth. The real reason most doctors tell you that little can be done for your diabetes, other than a horrible life of medicine and suffering, is profit. That's right. It's more profitable for the medical industry to keep you sick and medicine dependent than to cure you. And that's a very sad...